We all use Microsoft Outlook every single day, whether for sending emails, scheduling meetings, or managing our calendars. You might think you know everything about it, but trust me, there's a lot more to discover. Today, I'll share 11 powerful Outlook tips that will completely change the way you work. These are practical, time saving tricks that can help you be more efficient, stay organized, and work smarter. Just make sure to stick around till the end because I'll show you the ultimate solution to one of the most common email mistakes: forgetting to attach a file before hitting send. Let's start with something simple but incredibly powerful: Outlook's Advanced Search. Most people use the search bar at the top of their inbox to find emails, but Outlook Search can be more specific and powerful. Instead of typing random words and hoping for the best, you can use search operators. For example, type from followed by a name lets you search emails from a specific person, while to helps you find messages you send to someone. You can also narrow results with subject followed by keywords, or if you remember the email had an attachment, just type has attachment yes. You can even combine them like from John, subject feedback, has attachment yes. And if typing commands isn't your thing, you can simply click the search tab at the top where Outlook provides quick buttons for all these filters. Once you start using these, you'll find emails in seconds instead of minutes. Now let's talk about calendar. By default, Outlook sets your working hours from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., which is a 10-hour window that your colleagues can see when booking meetings with you. But do you really want to appear available that entire time? Probably not. You can easily customize your work hours to reflect your actual schedule. Go to File, then Options, then Calendar. Under work time, you can set your preferred start and end times, say from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and even define your work week and first day of the week. Once updated, your calendar will show your real availability to others, helping you avoid early or late meetings that interrupt your personal time. If you constantly switch between inbox and calendar throughout the day, here's a tip that'll save you countless clicks. Instead of grabbing your mouse and navigating manually, use keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+1 to open your email and Ctrl+2 to switch to your calendar. It's instant and so much smoother once you get used to it. Ctrl+3 and Ctrl+4 open the People and Task tabs, though you might not use those as often. Try this out and you'll never go back to clicking around again. Next, let's customize your meeting reminders. Outlook automatically reminds you about upcoming meetings 15 minutes beforehand. For many people, that's great, but for others, it's either too early or too late. To adjust this, go to File, then Options, then Calendar, and look for calendar options. There, you can set how far in advance you'd like to be reminded: 5, 10, 30 minutes, or even longer. You can also disable reminders entirely if you prefer fewer interruptions. This small change ensures you're reminded exactly when it suits your workflow the best. Here's another tip that's a real time saver if you send similar emails repeatedly, like weekly updates or meeting summaries. Instead of rewriting or copying old messages, you can create an email template once and reuse it forever. Write your standard message, format it, include default recipients, and then go to File and Save As. Choose the file type Outlook template, which ends in .oft. Now, whenever you need to send the message, just open the template, edit the content, and send. It's fast, consistent, and saves you from repetitive work. Just make sure to delete your signature before saving the original template, otherwise Outlook will add a second signature each time you use it. Let's move to the Outlook sidebar, something many people don't even know exists. If you don't have it activated, you're missing out. Go to the View tab, click To Do bar, and choose what you'd like to display. You can show your calendar, task, or both. This mini calendar at the top gives you an overview of your month and upcoming meetings, while the task section below keeps track of your to-dos and flagged emails. This setup lets you see everything you need for the day at a glance without leaving your inbox. Speaking of tasks, let's look at how to create and manage them effectively. Any email in your inbox can be turned into a task with a single click. Just click the flag icon next to the email to mark it for follow-up. You can right-click the flag to set a specific due date or reminder time. Once the date arrives, Outlook will remind you automatically. You can also add independent tasks. Just type one directly into the taskbar, press enter, and it'll appear in your list. Right-click to set a due date or reminder. This system is perfect for keeping track of action items without cluttering your inbox. Over time, your folders can easily become messy, especially if you use subfolders for projects or clients. A bit of maintenance can make a big difference. You can rearrange folders manually by dragging and dropping them, or right click to sort subfolder alphabetically. I also recommend moving your most used folders like draft, outbox, or key project folders to the top of the list. That way, they'll always be easy to find and manage. Here's another feature that's often overlooked but incredibly helpful: Conversation View. You can enable it by going to the View tab and checking Show as Conversations. This groups all emails from the same thread together, making it much easier to follow discussions without searching through your inbox. The newest email appears at the top with all previous replies right below it. Now let's talk about attachments. You must have noticed that Outlook usually adds them below the subject line by default. But if you'd rather embed attachments directly into the body of your email, for example, if you are referencing them in specific parts of your message, you can change that settings. While composing your email, go to Format Text and switch the format from HTML to Rich Text. Now, attachments will appear inside the message right where you want them. This small visual change can make your emails look cleaner and help recipients follow along easily when you refer to specific files. And finally, here's the ultimate Outlook tip that can save you from one of the most embarrassing mistakes: forgetting to attach a file before sending your email. The fix is simple but genius. Delay your email delivery by a minute or two. That gives you a small window to correct any mistakes before the message actually goes out. To do this, go to File, then Manage Rules and Alerts, and click New Rule. Choose Apply Rule on Message I Send, then click Next. Skip the condition so it applies to all outgoing emails, and when prompted, confirm with Yes. Next, select Defer Delivery by a number of minutes. Click the outline text, choose 1 or 2 minutes, and hit OK. Then click Next, skip exceptions, and finish the rule. From now on, every email you send will wait briefly in your outbox before actually being sent, giving you a chance to catch forgotten attachments or last minute edits. It's a simple trick that can save you from a lot of awkward follow up emails. And that's it: 11 Outlook tips that can make your workday faster, smoother, and more efficient. From mastering advanced search and customizing your working hours to using shortcuts, templates, and conversation view, these little adjustments can add up to a big improvement in your productivity. Outlook has also many powerful features hidden in plain sight. It's just a matter of knowing where to look and how to use them. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.